Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be correcting sentence 1 under set 3 on our sentence correction sheet. Our sentence says, "She closed the book and looked at the clock. She had finished reading The Elder Brothers at exactly 12 a.m. In this sentence we're going to add a colon. We're also going to add a semicolon. We'll fix our abbreviation, and we need to punctuate a title. I'm going to start with our colon. So as you probably know, we need to have a colon anytime we display a time in our writing. The time is 12 a.m., so my colon is going to go between the 2 and the first 0. Next, I'm going to add my semicolon. Now, in this sentence, the semicolon is going to go in between the first sentence and the second sentence. So I'm going to read the sentence again to try to determine the end of our first sentence and the beginning of the second. Try to listen for a longer pause. She closed the book and looked at the clock. She had finished reading The Elder Brothers at exactly 12 a.m. You should have heard a pause between the word clock and she. Clock marks the end of my first sentence, and she marks the beginning of my second. So I should have my semicolon there. Next, I need to fix my abbreviation. We know that abbreviation should have the period between each letter, so I'm going to add a period between the A and the M. And lastly, I need to fix or punctuate my title. Now, as we talked about in our notes, titles need to be punctuated by either quotation marks or by being placed in italics, aka underlining. In order to determine which piece of punctuation we should use, we have to figure out which category our literature falls into. Our sentence gives us a hint. As you probably have already identified, our title is The Elder Brothers, but now I need to determine if this is major work or shorter work. And like I said, our sentence gives us a hint. Our sentence lets us know that this is a book. Books are considered major works, and so I need to put my title in italics. However, I can't italicize printed word, and so I'm going to show that it should be in italics by underlining that title. If you have any questions about how or why we've corrected the sentence the way we have, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, everyone.